Hi everyone, Martin here. Generally, we know that there are 8 directions, and they are the north, south, east, west, northeast, northwest, southeast, and southwest. While having a home with a north-south orientation can be a good feature, but too close and tapping on the boundary lines between two of these 8 directions could smell problem in the air. For example, a home with its main door tapping on the dividing line separating the south and southwest could be a feng shui problem, affecting the residents in the long term. Some may ask, what's so big deal about this? In feng shui, there is a principle known as the Death and Emptiness lines, or in Chinese as Hong Wang Xin. These lines are degrees that do not foster good qi or life energies and are to be avoided. Main door or properties, whether it is residential or commercial, tapping on these lines indicates that the qi is unstable and will not be residing in these properties. In other words, your property might not be able to channel in the qi or life energy from the external environment, and whatever good feng shui access in the vicinity avoid. Therefore, if a property faces any of these lines, then how good the house chi map is, whether it is a Xuan Kong flying star chart or 8-mansion chart, is not usable as the energy could be unstable. Residents living in these properties tapping on the Death and Emptiness lines will be more prone to health, wealth, and people issues like marital or family problems, sicknesses, business setback, or even failures. Some even claim that the property can be haunted, attracting unwanted guests into the premises as the qi or life energy is unstable or even void. Using North Gaia as an illustration, with the reference to its fact sheet of this EC development, all blocks are tilted in 22.5 degrees north-south orientation. Although this is a good consideration for the development, especially for the next 20 years, but one thing set an alarm under the lens of feng shui. It's about 22.5 degree tilting angle dividing the north and northeast, as it is sitting on the major cardinal of the Death and Emptiness line. Although this tilting angle may not be the same when the home of this development are ready, and I hope they are different, it will be beneficial to understand and be aware of its importance and the impact of these unfavorable lines. So be more careful in selecting your choice home, and you have in doubt, seek professional advice from a feng shui practitioner or from me, as I can share more. You can also visit my website at www.affinityconsultant.biz for more articles relating to metaphysics and the feng shui consultation services I'm delivering. Check that out. And before you go, give me a like and share with your friends and to those whom you believe it's beneficial to them. Also hit the subscribe button to get notified when we release new videos. Till then, thanks for watching. I'm Martin Ho, signing out.